Like I've never seen this type of pedal before. Normally you have some sort of net to place your foot into to make sure that you don't trip or slip. But this, I guess it works. Peloton, we will see. Hey you, if you are new to this page, welcome to Living Los Bakers. And if you know anything about me and my wife is that we are really into fitness. And guess what we have back here? Our very first Peloton. So come along with me as I unbox and assemble this beautiful beast. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. This is Sparta. What type of wasted space is this? What in the world? Definitely need this. Oh, it's about to get real. It's about to get real. So I have about an hour and a half to get this done before date night commences. Tonight we're going to see M. Night Shyamalan's Trap. A lot of mixed reviews, but of course you always have to go see things for yourself. Because I can't trust them folks. So it looks like the frame comes pre-assembled, which is pretty awesome. Which means we probably have to put on the handlebars. Looks like the seat is already intact. That bad boy heavy. And a bit awkward. All right, so this is that beautiful, sturdy handlebar. Let's see now. Oh yeah. Remove the remaining packaging materials from the cart. Before you begin assembling your bike, locate and identify all tools and parts. More instructions. Next time, I'm paying. Oh, this is neat. Normally, you have the alley key. This one has, it's like alley screwdriver. It's a screw key, a screw alley. It's pretty dope. I have zero clue. Don't know. Oh, I don't know times 2. That is smooth. More. I guess I can't really leave this. Looks like this is the stand, the component that holds it all up. We got wheels. Oh man, look, I came so close to completion under the time that was allocated for me to complete it before date night, but I did not. I still have the weird looking pedals to put on. I haven't figured out what this is quite yet. Like, it's a weight holder to hold like dumbbells, but I'm guessing not heavy dumbbells, just 5 to 15, maybe 20-pound dumbbells. And of course, the touch screen that goes right here. So we're gonna finish up date night, then I'm going to complete this mission. Let's go. And we are back. Just finished watching Trapped by M. Night Shyamalan. It was a pretty decent movie, but if you're a critical thinker, you're thinking about all of the things that don't make sense. So it's like, will the inefficiencies cloud your judgment when you're deciding whether or not a movie is actually good? Or are you just suspending that belief and saying, hey, this was entertaining? It was pretty entertaining. This is a very awkward and weird pedal. Like, I've never seen this type of pedal before. Normally you have some sort of net to place your foot into to make sure that you don't trip or slip. But this, I guess it works. Peloton, we will see. I know you're wondering, what am I doing down here? Well, now it's time to make sure that we're level. So when we're on this bike and we're getting it in, that we don't tip, topple, and fall over. So we want to make sure that we're stable. And we have these, I'm going to call them pillars that move to make sure that even if you're on uneven surfaces, that you can release or retract based on your leveling to make sure that you have a solid foundation. So I was able to use the nut to push the knob down into the ground, and then I reversed the direction of the nut to tighten it up to the top to ensure that it doesn't move. So now we're solid, baby. Finally finished this bad boy. And let me tell you something. Next time, I'm paying the extra money because this was some bull crap. I'm paying the bread. Like, I'm a real husband, y'all. I'm out here with the tools, putting together bikes, staining patios. I used to be the type, I just pay for it. Like, I pay for convenience. Now, I'm out here putting in work. And it's only getting better. I'm only getting bigger. It's only getting better. And I'm making my wife proud of me because I did that. Baby, you get any higher. So this is a very important part of this video. If you purchase a Peloton offline, it will not come with the shoes that you need in order to clip in to these very weird pedals. So if you're like us and you're thinking that the Peloton is going to come with pedals that your normal shoes can go into, just like you're in the gym, that is not the case. They have these weird pedals that you actually need to buy separate cycling shoes that clip in to keep you inside of the Peloton, to keep you clipped into the Peloton. So this is my brand that I just bought. It's called Keido cycling shoes. Keido. And this is how they look. They have the straps, so you can strap in. They have the lever, you can click it in, tighten it as much as you need. And the clips are these. So this is what clip into those pedals to keep you locked in. They're true to size. So I wear a 10.5. I ordered a 10.5, so that's pretty cool. They fit like a glove. They're comfortable. They have a lot of cushion on the inside. So I pull that up, push that button in to release the strap. Let's ride. Oh, that's nice. It feels like you're pedaling on air. Okay. Now I'm not quite as upset. I mean, they're really nice.
Back out, 3, 2, 1, 60 seconds, let's go. 50 to 75 this time, that resistance range. Remember to control that breath work. You're in control every single step of the way. Very similar to if you get into a stressful moment in life. Our breath still working away on that beautiful summit. One pillow stroke at a time. Working on the Peloton, looking 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, settle down. 45 bucks of distance. Alright, so this is it. You made this far. But you didn't just come this far to only get this far. Take a moment. Jake on 7, crushing it for 400, you got this. Betty Brune, keep going all the way for 500 today.
Get any higher.
All in all, was it worth it? I think the shirt gives my answer. Peloton fit. Let's get it.